Timber construction currently is a big trend in architecture because sustainability is a very important part of architecture. This has really increased a lot the last few years.
What we see is there's more a trend in using wood. So like we used to have only concrete and steel. We now see that our customers are asking more for wood since sustainability is higher on their agenda and they really want to work with wood. So that's why KONE is also introducing their elevators in these wooden shafts.
People have become much more aware of the importance of sustainability, and building in wood, building in timber is an extremely sustainable way of building buildings, because effectively you're taking CO2 out of the atmosphere, storing it in your building, which is very sustainable.
So today we are at the floating office and we installed the elevator here, and during the installation we took some special attention since this of course is something like a boat, so it's floating on the water.
For our elevator we chose KONE because we have great experience with them in our buildings. Basically they are always the first party we call when we are in need of an elevator for one of our buildings. Because in the end they always deliver reliable stuff and good service, and also they give good options of making an architectural pleasing elevator.
The customer was also looking for a low energy consuming elevator, so that's why we brought in our monospace 500DX. We helped our customer in reaching their sustainability goals.
Some of the most important sustainability solutions are at first the huge amount of solar panels on the south side of the roof, which is completely filled with PV cells, and which makes it that we are 100% using only the power the building generates itself and are not dependent on the power grid of the city.
We are seeing that our order book is growing with wooden shafts in the future. So customers are asking for it, and we see more and more wooden shafts coming in.